So guys, welcome to our channel once again. Today on our biology exam revision series, we will learn about fighting diseases, and today we'll focus on vaccination. Please, if you've not seen our previous video on fighting disease, ensure to check out our playlist for the video, as it will guide you to understand this lesson better. Also, at the end of this video, you'll get a free biology exam revision question to test your knowledge on this lesson. So let's start by saying that in the problem of fighting disease, we don't always have to deal with the disease once it has already started. We can as well prevent it from happening in the first place. Well, thanks to vaccination that protects us from future infections. When you are infected with a new pathogen, it takes your white blood cells a couple of days to learn how to attack them, but by then you might become very ill. So vaccination happens to be a better option, which involves introducing dead or weakened pathogens into the body. Now, the antigens from these pathogens cause the body to produce antibodies to attack them, even though they are seemingly harmless. So this equips the white blood cell with the ability to massively produce antibodies when the live pathogens of the same type appear after that. So let us consider the pros and cons of vaccination. First, vaccines have helped to control some of the communicable diseases that were common in the UK. Smallpox no longer occurs at all, and polio infection has fallen by 99%. Also, big outbreaks of disease called epidemics can be prevented if a large percentage of the population is vaccinated. Well, on the downside, vaccines don't always work. Sometimes they don't give you immunity. Also, you can have a bad reaction to some vaccines. Alright guys, so here is a free biology exam practice question for you to test your knowledge on this lesson. Feel free to pause this video and try it out. So guys, we've come to the end of this video. If you are new to this channel, please ensure to join our Telegram channel using the link in the description of this video below to get instant updates and notifications for your exams. Don't forget to like and share this video with your friends if this video was helpful. Also ensure to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Thank you.